In my family, we always have a pot of chili oil in our chicken cupboard. It raises our dishes and opens our appetite. I really like the taste of this oil. We can add it to sauces, stir-fry dishes, grilled meats, soups, noodles, wonton dumplings. I show you how to prepare my chili oil. Here are the ingredients for 25 centiliters of chili oil. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Use 50 grams of hot or sweet dry chilies, according to your taste. Remove the little hard stem of the chilies. Cut them into chunks. Blend them. If you blend the seeds, you won't get a hotter oil. I want the chilies to be crushed and not powdered. It will be like glitter in the dishes. To make the oil more fragrant, grate a piece of ginger. Keep 1 teaspoon. Chop 2 garlic cloves. Put 1 cup of oil in a saucepan, heat it over medium heat. When the oil is hot, about 260 degrees, put the ginger and the garlic. Regularly stir. When the garlic and the ginger start to color, add 3 grams of Sichuan pepper. Stir from time to time until the garlic starts to brown. Cut the fire. Pour the oil into the chili bowl by holding in the colander the pieces of fried ginger, garlic and Sichuan pepper. Mix well. Let it cool. Keep it in a jar. I use it until the end without worrying about the shelf life. Its fragrance and taste remain intact. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.